Everyone. This morning we're looking at how to access the My School Jamaica so that you can look at your report card. We will first go to Google or any other browser and we will type myschooljamaica.com, www.myschooljamaica.com. Well, in this case, it pops up, but if it doesn't, you just continue to type out myschooljamaica.com. When you're directed to this page, you will click on the My School Jamaica platform login because you will need to log in. First, you're going to select your school, and in this case, the school is Iona High School. Iona High. And the user type, student, since you're a student, and you're going to put in your user ID. At your first login, your user ID will be the same as your password. What is your user ID, you may ask? This is the number on your last report card that says student ID. So it's on your report card and it says user ID. For the grade 7 students, you may access this user ID from your form teacher or possibly from the office, right? Because each student is assigned a user ID, but since you would not yet have a report card to know what that user ID is. So in this case, I'm going to use a sample user ID. I'm going to just use 4 zeros, and then I will come back and log in with an actual student ID. So you type in, just pretending for now that this is my user ID, and then you click sign in, right? And it's as easy as that. Not registration, because I know some persons do that and then they end up with an error message. You click sign in. Use the student login to enter the system, and this is where you call the dashboard. Here you will see on the left where you can look at the grades, the report card, attendance, comments, etc. So this is the dashboard, and on the dashboard you'll see a summary of the students' attendance, of your attendance and your average, as well as your position in the class. You'll also see your current GPA standing, which is basically an average of your overall average performance. A perfect GPA is 4. So this student would be at 2.55, and an average GPA would be considered a 2.0. So below 2.0 would be underperforming. And to see the report card, you click on report card, and the report card would be generated here. In this case, the report card has not yet been generated, but this is where your report card would come up once it's updated and prepared, right? And we can have a look at grades, and you can see your different subject grades as it relates to, all right, and there you are looking at the grades as they are at the moment, and attendance, etc. So pretty much that, it's not hard, and thank you for watching.